In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to drift in Assetto Corsa on Logitech G29. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up your Logitech G29, and I'm gonna give you some basic introduction and recommendation for drifting in Assetto Corsa. So first, to set up your Logitech G29, connect it to your PC and open the Logitech G Hub software. It is through the G Hub where you will be able to download the latest drivers available for the Logitech G29 and also change some other settings like the sensitivity, force feedback, and so on. Once you have the Logitech G29 steering wheel all set up, good to go, you will be able to open up Assetto Corsa with the G Hub software running on the background and start the process of learning how to drift. So Assetto Corsa offers a variety of cars suitable for drifting. You should go ahead and choose one of them. Popular choices include Japanese sports cars like the Toyota AE86, Nissan 240SX, and the Mazda RX-7. Choose whichever one you prefer, it is down to preference. Now, experiment with different cars once you find your favorite and then adjust the car settings. You should adjust the suspension settings to be software, which will allow for more wheel spin and easier drifting. Set the rear differential to a high lockup percentage to increase traction and control, and for the tires, opt for softer tires with less grip for better drifting. Finally, for aerodynamics, reduce downforce by adjusting the front and rear wing settings. The handbrake is essential for initiating drifts, so practice using the handbrake to lock up the rear wheels and initiate a slide. Next, control the throttle, so carefully modulate the throttle to maintain the drift. Too much throttle can cause the car to spin out, while too little can result in the drift ending prematurely. Next, practice your steering techniques like counter steering and steering lock, and as long as you repeat this process over and over, you will be able to get better at drifting in Assetto Corsa with the Logitech G29. When the car starts to oversteer, quickly turn the wheel in the opposite direction to correct the slide and experiment with different steering lock settings to find what works best for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to drift in Assetto Corsa Logitech G29. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.